Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Rogue Sport battery. First, gather your essential tools like a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves. Before starting, make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for your protection. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Locate the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative cable first. This prevents accidental short circuits. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive cable. Finally, carefully unfasten any battery hold-down clamps or straps, preparing the battery for removal. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery securely into the tray. Now, connect the positive cable to the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly. Then, attach the negative cable to the negative terminal, ensuring a snug fit. Reinstall any hold-down clamps. You're almost done. Double-check all your connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Now, start your Nissan Rogue Sport to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You might need to reset some electronic settings, such as your clock or radio presets. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center. Great job! You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.